All right, let's see what it's looking like now. Woo, I think she's ready. Wow! Oh, that's hot. Good morning, day 7, breakfast time. Hope you guys enjoyed the series so far. We're almost done. Last 4 meals and then we're finished with the series. So today what we're gonna do is a healthy breakfast burrito. We're gonna use some of the ingredients we have from before. We got some of our potatoes that are still left from our Polish sausage video. See the link up here. Fry these up a little bit for us, get some color and some more flavor on them. And then basically it's gonna be very simple. We got some eggs, we got a tortilla, some salsa, and a little bit of cucumber mix here with some garlic and yogurt. In with our potatoes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our eggs. We want a nice scrambled egg, so we're gonna keep this off the heat even for a little bit. Give it a nice mix, nice and creamy. Stirring, keep stirring. You gotta constantly keep moving if you want nice and creamy eggs. Incorporate with our potatoes. Back off the heat. See, they're slowly starting to catch a little bit more. Looks good. Back on the heat. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salsa on our tortilla, so that's ready when we need it. Check our eggs again. Back off the heat. If this was just a regular breakfast, I'd make them nice and creamy, but we're gonna go a little bit more because it's gonna be for a burrito, and we don't want it to be too wet. Back on the heat. Let it catch a little bit of salt. And back off. Good. Okay, back on the heat for a little bit more. Almost ready. One last mix, and then we go on our tortilla. And a little bit of the cucumber. And now we roll like before. First we fold our edges, tuck it in, then we fold over, squeeze our ingredients in the middle, and then we slowly roll. Once we get to the middle, then we can press it down a little bit. So now we're just gonna wash our pan, and I'll be right back, and then we'll cook our burrito. And just like in our previous burrito, we're just gonna go on a dry pan. There you go, press it down a little bit. And now, we wait. And now, we wait. And now, we wait. And now, we wait. And now. Ah. Oh no! And now, we wait. See what she's doing. A little bit more. Oh.
Wake up. Wake up, wake up. The burrito is ready.
No, not yet. You need a little bit more. Take it out. See? Wah, wah, wah. I don't want it like that. Let's take a look now. Oh yeah, much, much better. All right, let's see what it's looking like now. Woo, I think she's ready. Wow. Oh, that's hot. All right, guys, that's our burrito done. Take a look. I hope you guys like it. Just using some of the ingredients we had left over from the week. Didn't even have to worry about the breakfast too much. It was nice and quick and easy. The worst part was just getting the pan hot and toasting our burrito. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. More